Well, hello. Today we're going to make roasted pecan sticky buns. And we've got to roast our pecans. Oh, we're using Rhodes rolls frozen dough. So I'm only making one great big roll. So I'm only going to go ahead and toast a very small amount at 350 for 7 to 10 minutes, tossing them halfway. Do they look browner? They smell fabulous. I'm going to break them apart in little pieces by hand. I'm just making one large roll, so I didn't have that many. I have better luck with water. Hold it down in place. But we're going to be folding it here in a moment. And I have thawed 4 rolls. I'm going to do a lot of this by hand. The last one I did, it was too thick. I thought wide, basically tall. That's a lot of things, isn't it? Wide and tall. It was too tall and it fell over, so I'm hoping to avoid that. I'm going to brush on some melted butter, and I'm going to use the rest for our frosting. I'll show you that in a moment. And I'll add a little bit of brown sugar. It's about 1/8 of a cup. This is a little bit more because I just have it hanging around in case I need it to make another one. I have my chocolate one too. Take some of our nuts, not all of them because I want some of them for the top. You'll want to grease the bottom of your pan with some shortening. And let's roll that baby up. Remember I talked about sealing in the seam? A little bit of water on your fingertips helps. Press it down just a bit. Oh, believe me, it'll bounce right back at me. I know it's gonna be thicker in the middle. Just make sure your seam is closed, otherwise it'll open back up. It can happen anyway. And the rest of our nuts. I'm going to let that rise for between 20 and 40 minutes before I put it in the oven. Nighty night. Okay, let's see. We're going to throw that in the oven. We're going to check it in 20 minutes at 350. While that's baking, we're going to make the icing. I have a rather cold house, so my butter hardened just a bit, but it's still soft enough. We're going to add about a half a cup of powdered sugar. We're just going to put in a pinch of salt. About a half a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to mix this before I add the milk. Then we add some milk, just a little at a time. We're just looking to thin it. We're going to add a little bit more powdered sugar. I honestly think I put too much milk in it in the beginning, so I'm just going to put it in there in the refrigerator because it's a little warm. So I'm going to let it kind of cool up a little bit and see if it isn't a little bit thicker. It seems a little bit thicker to me. It takes 25 minutes to cook this. So I'm going to let it sit and rest for 5 minutes before I put my wonderful icing on top. You know, to be honest with you, I haven't made icing in years. So that was on me. But the ingredients are supposed to be the same. You're just supposed to add a little bit of milk until it gets drizzly. You know, after you combine your powdered sugar and everything else. Yeah, I did something wrong. I probably added too much milk. Oh, there you have it. Okay. I thought it was done a little bit sooner. So let's come and check on it in about 5 minutes. Well, did it drop much? I can't tell, actually. But it's hot. Not bad. Not bad. I like that. I like the way the nuts are kind of worked into the dough there. I know that I could have sprinkled them on top, but... well, you know, on top of the icing, but I like that. I really like that. Alright, well, let's get this puppy iced. It thickened up some. Alrighty then, let's try and plate it. Yeah, it caramelized. All right. Well, I can't really push it over. But let's cut into it. Well, we know that's going to be good. I'm interested in the middle. Oh, I'm interested in this too. Oh yeah. Let's see if it goes all the way through. Yeah, it does. That's fabulous. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it here. So we can see. I do like it a little doughy in the middle. Oh yeah. Well, I can't talk. I think that was a success. You guys have yourselves a lovely evening, and I will as well. I'll definitely be talking to you later. Bye.